Okay. Taste the water. They're both neutral. Neutral. Neutral, yes, yeah. Over here. So they're both neutral. Same color. This is the pH down and pH up. So if the day is about sharp-pointy, that's too high. The two will die. So this is the kit, and yeah, this is what we've done. That's the tank. Made my own little filter. Only a bucket or gravel. Gravel thế và một sự tận đấu nó. Tốt từ thằng nào. Một tận đấu nó. To make a filter. So I make layers of them. I've got like 2 of them right on the bottom. And I've got gravel and another layer, then gravel in a hashing bag, then gravel, another layer, gravel, hashing bag, gravel, another layer, then gravel back on top. This is what it looks like that. So it's actually filtering. This is not a filter, it's just a water filter. So it sucks water, it sucks water like right from there up. Yeah, I made that into a filter, and I put a couple of holes, fix a hole in the bottom so that it goes up. And the water is getting clean, as you can see. We're getting clean. I put some pambong in it, grated pambongs, liquid. Now I put 2 little filters in there just to help it in that way. And get the water clean quick. And let's see the prawns and gabbies. Where are they? Where are they hiding? Actually, they all disappeared. Well, we've got heaps of babies in there anyway, so fingers crossed. Hopefully they clear. They tall. But yep, this is what I made. Để dưới cho bếp khổ. Không nó.